Guys, I probably have the most important news you'll ever hear in y'all's life. I've discovered a secret. Now, fidget spinners, yes. Everybody has them in their house now. They're so very addicting and they're so very expensive. But there's a secret about them, guys. There is a big secret. And I'm ready to show y'all the secret. Only if y'all promise not to tell. I'll take you there. I'll show you. Aliens. You see, fidget spinners are alien technology. This is what the alien UFO plans were based off of. This is where the aliens got their ideas. Aliens invented fidget spinners, for God's sakes. It's what helped them invent UFOs. Just let me enlarge in this so I can show y'all. You can see it. Oops. You can see it. The UFO design. Okay? Fidget spinners are from aliens. Now, the government is probably going to hunt me down and try to... I don't know. But with this information, we can save the world, guys. We can save the world. We can make a difference. We can make UFOs, for God's sakes. We just gotta take this design and make. We have to we have to take this design and make humans better. UFOs, bros, they're aliens, bro. Now let me prove it to y'all. See, UFO fidget spinner. As y'all can see, fidget spinners are alien-based designs. Fidget spinners are technology of aliens. With this information, you can change the world. Now, guys, all who are viewing this, let me switch it back to the big thing. Give me a minute. There we go, much better. But yes, please, use this information wisely, and make sure the aliens don't get to you. Now, ever since I've made this discovery, I've had a whole smorgasbord and oofers and cosmic farts coming after me, so build, create, make humanity better, guys. Goodbye for this vlog.